So part 2 begins with a carry on from part 1. We have now got the Zafira 24mm anti-roll bar fitted using the Powerflex Black Series bushes and the Zafira brackets, and everything's running nice and free. So just got to lift her all back up again, and hopefully there's nothing else I've missed. If so, I'll have to drop it again. So it's time to sit back after another busy day working on the car. Pleased with what we've got done today. Obviously a bit of a mistake on my part, missing the roll bar, but it's on there now and looking good. So yeah, it's just good to have a sit back at the end of the day and just see what you've achieved. You need motivation, you need a sense of achievement with any of these things. So that's been really good. Also good today to watch some of the time attack over at Ulton Park. Quick mention for Kevin Thieker, who's running the Astra GSI over there. He's the guy that I got the Brembo brakes off, or via him at least, for this build. So good luck to him tomorrow. Looking well out there. So yeah, been good to catch up on that. So I'm just sat here watching some of the Formula 1 highlights from today. Look forward to a good race tomorrow, but yeah, really pleased with how this is coming along now. Looks like we're going to hit our targets for the paint shop in September, no problem. Just a couple more bits I'm going to need now. I just realised I haven't got the nuts for locking off the track rod ends, so just need to get a couple of them sorted. But yeah, the rest will be coming along nicely, hopefully, and you'll see that soon. This is not the end of the video, I'm just summarising today, but you'll get to see some more hopefully shortly, so stay tuned. Okay, here we go. So here we go, we've got the wishbones ready for the Powerflex bushes to go in. This is always a nice part of a build where you're using nice fresh components, fresh wishbones. These are the Mailer HD again. These seem like good stuff, recommended by various people. So we're just going to pop these in, ready to go in the subframe. Okay, so the wishbones are now in place. I'm just using the original bolts for now. I've got some GM ones on order and the nuts as well. And there's no easy way to get these in, just a bit of rubber malleting, knock them in because they're a tight fit. But yeah, they're in now, so we can carry on to the next bit. So this is the hubs back, or one hub back in place. We treated these with actual engine enamel paint, so I'm just going to see how that works out for me. And then we've got the brand new GM nut and bolt for the pinch. So next I'm going to try fitting in this new hub, make sure that fits. Right, so if you're building up yourself a set of Bilstein coilovers for the Astra, you won't need that. You'll just need the rubber top piece, and it just kind of sits in there, look, if you can see it. So it comes with its own bearing, which is nice, and then you just pop the rubber bit on, and then we'll put the top seat on when it goes back through the strut tower. Ooh, looking forward to getting these on. So this is the loose fit of the suspension and hubs and everything. Nothing's torqued down, obviously. Looking quite nice. And this top mount is nice and flush, nice and compressed. If you can't do that, then you've got the wrong nut underneath here. So go and check yours. But this is looking nice and flush. Same on this side, obviously. Now I just need to check my link bars. I think I might have got some wrong ones. They look a bit long, but just about to test fit them now and we'll have a look. Okay, so maybe not too bad. So these are the Mailer HD ones, but the only ones I could find on eBay were listed for 1.8, 1.6, etc. I believe they're all the same. So if I remember rightly, this position here looks to be about right. I was thinking it was a bit close to the wishbone, but of course, when the suspension goes up, sorry, when the arm goes up, so will this strut. So I think that's okay. If it's looking a bit close, please comment and let me know. But I'll see how they go. Not panicking just yet. So to torque up these bolts, I'm going to try one of these. So this turns your normal wrench into a torque wrench. Pop that on the end, set what you want in here, and it'll give you a buzz out when you've hit the torque. So I'm going to give this a go. What I'll do is, get a list of all the torque settings that I need, and write it all down, come out here and torque them all up. Just waiting on some nuts for this now. I realise I haven't got a lock nut to go on here, so I've just ordered some, and then that can go on. And I've ordered, I don't know if I said already, but I've ordered new ones of these. And then we can, I don't want to fill this up too much yet because I've got to do the brake lines and things. So that might have to be the next job, finally, that I'll get around to doing the brake lines on this car, front and rear, which should be fun. So wish me luck with that. I think that's the end of this part. So I should be back with any further progress. Here's the other side. So these hubs are from Meili again, from Germany. I'm hoping they're decent. Obviously they're not GM, but they're not GM prices either, so just have to see how they hold up. But yeah, so far looking good. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. See you in the next one.